Well, bird is the word at the Emiquon Nature Preserve in Fulton County. Zach Hatcher explains how local scientists are launching an experiment to tag and track different bird species throughout the habitat.
Researchers with the Nature Conservancy near Havana, Illinois, are in the process of restoring the Emiquon Nature Preserve. Part of that project involves tagging birds and tracking them to see how they use the wetlands. Director of River Conservation Doug Blodgett says it's been a success since the start.
We've set several records for the number of birds that are using this habitat. For example, ducks come here, and sometimes we'll have 500,000 waterfowl out here for a few days.
And now more than 300 species of birds call Emiquon home. Director of Forbes Biological Station explains why tagging is important.
We're trying to understand how much of the time they're spending using the Emiquon Preserve and how they're moving around the preserve.
Blodgett says this time of year is usually ideal for bird watching.
So we're just at the beginning of the waterfowl migration. It's just gearing up now. We've had a lot of other wetland birds have already come through this year.
The wood duck, which is our most common breeding duck here in Illinois, and also the least bittern, which is a small wetland bird. It's a threatened species.
And these birds have trouble flying below the radar.
We can put a tag on a bird, and then we can use those towers, and as the birds fly around in the air, different towers will detect them.
The birds are tagged in a way that doesn't harm them or their ability to fly. About a dozen birds are being monitored, but several hundred could make the list in the future. The Nature Conservancy also has a public use area for those to come out and do some bird watching.